My name is Sue Karl. I'm chair of the short courses for the convention, and we are delighted to have these four wonderful presenters for a short course on new things you can do with airborne geophysics and applications of airborne geophysics and how to access the state database of the detailed geophysical surveys. And I'll do the biographies for the course presenters. I don't have them for the other two, so Ken and Abraham can introduce the other two speakers. Ken comes to us. He's, let's see, you didn't put your educational background on here.
It's short, isn't it?
Yeah. Ken spent 27 years. He graduated from UBC and has a bachelor's in science in geophysics. He then spent 27 years with Utah BHP Minerals, during which time as chief geophysicist he championed BHP's programs in airborne geophysics, which resulted in the development of Mega TEM and Falcon technologies in 1999. Ken helped form a technology-focused service company that specializes in application of innovative processing and data analysis to help drive the discovery of new mineral deposits, which is dear to all our hearts. Abraham Eman is, has a bachelor's degree from geophysics from the Colorado School of Mines and a master's degree in geophysics from the University of Utah. He worked as a geophysicist for Rio Tinto and various other companies before joining USGS in Alaska, and he is responsible for the distribution, promotion, publication, and archiving of the USGS geophysical surveys. These data, as you know, are critical to mineral exploration in Alaska, and so we're thrilled to have these guys all here giving us a wonderful day of learning new stuff to do. Thanks.
Thanks, Sue.
Yes.
Adam, why don't you just give us a few words?
Hi, I'm Smiarowski. I'm Chief Geophysicist with CDG. I specialize in airborne EM, but do all the different techniques. And we have flown all of the airborne geophysics for Alaska.
Oh, the electromagnetics.
All the electromagnetics.
We have.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
For the state.
A large part of it, yeah.
There's others, in terms of ours.
I'm Mark Robinson. I'm an SCG fellow and registered geologist in Alaska. This season marked my 47th year working in the state. And we're working on a project on Zarembo Island in southeast Alaska. And hopefully we'll enjoy the thing we put together on Zarembo. We think we've turned the corner as far as the geophysics goes on the DMS deposit that we're working on called Frenchie. We contracted with Condor this spring to reprocess some of the old DGGS data, and hopefully it'll spark some things in you guys to do the same thing, because it's an amazing story.
Thanks, Mark. Mark is one of the key constituents, geologists. The other will be a virtual presentation from Mo Colprin. Some of you might know him. He's the head of bedrock mapping with the Yukon Geological Survey. And Mo organized for his apparently his own personal use on a project called Livingston in the Yukon, a VTEM survey, time domain EM. You hear more about that technology as Adams makes his presentation. So Mark, unfortunately, Mo wasn't able to be here, but we're going to WebEx him in just after lunch. And that's actually, if you haven't had that experience before, it's actually pretty good. I mean, because we see on the screen when he's watching, we hear him talking and presenting it. Hopefully he's wearing proper clothes and things like that at the other end, but no guarantee. But, and of course he can answer questions as well if there are. So, you want to start with your intro
I'll
slide?
start. And because we're not on a super, well, yeah, I'll just start. Since we're not on a super strict schedule, and it's supposed to be a workshop, it's okay to interrupt me with questions. If we get behind schedule, then you might have to kind of I'd rather keep everyone on board.